Hey, it's Brian with Old Man New Tech, and today we're taking a look at the Soundpeats Mini Pro Hybrid Active Noise Cancellation Earbuds, and they promise to pack
a ton of features
into these
tiny little earbuds at a tiny little price.
So we're gonna check these out, but first, hey, do me a favor, head down below, hit like, subscribe, help us support the channel so I can bring you more reviews like these. Let's get on to the unboxing. All right, we have the Mini Pro box here. Nice attractive young model there on the front, a little picture of the earbuds in her ear. But I tell you what, you didn't come here to watch me take a long unboxing process. We're gonna do this old man magic style. All right, we have everything unboxed here. Let's take a look at what we got in the package. We got our Type-C charger. We're gonna need the Type-C charger because unfortunately the Mini Pros are not Qi wireless charging compatible. So you will have to wire these to get your quick charge.
No way!
And we have two additional sets of ear tips, silicone, spongy. And finally we have the earbud case itself. And man, that is tiny. Check out the size of that in my palm.
That's what she said!
It's one of the smallest cases I've seen on earbuds. Around the back side we have our Type-C port. It's a beautiful, simple case. I love the flat black matte finish. And opening it up, I took off all the decals already for you guys because I want to see them charging in there, and we can see that they're charging, glowing red. And look at the earbuds in there, man. Those things are set in there nicely. All right, these earbuds are magnetically dropped into the case here, and we'll do a little shake test on them. Okay, nice little magnetic pop on there. The earbuds are small, but they are pretty easy to get out of the case. My old man fingers can actually grab them and get them out. Again, look how small they are. I'm expecting a nice low profile when I get these in. That's it. Soundpeat did something simple and beautiful. I do like this. Now we're gonna go sync them up and see how they sound. All right, we're back and I got them all synced up, and I tell you what, this is one small case. I mean, look at that compared to my hand. The Soundpeats Mini Pros have to be one of the smallest cases that I've reviewed on this channel. Now I will say that these are Bluetooth 5.2, which is like the latest Bluetooth technology. And they've got active noise cancellation with a QCC 3040 aptX chip technology inside of it, which makes this really a jam-packed type of earbud that you're finding at this size, at this price. And I tell you what, I'll shoot the latest pricing down below so you can check those out. That also helps support the channel. And also, full disclosure, sometimes I buy this stuff and sometimes it gets sent to me, but I always tell you the pros and the cons to every electronic that I review on this channel. So you want to stick around to the end where I run through the pros and cons. So now back to the features. So the Soundpeats Mini Pro wireless earbuds also support a transparency mode, which allows you to hear some of the ambient sound come in, as well as modes for gaming. And if you like to take one out at a time and swap them in and out, you can also do what's called true wireless mirroring, which means that they do operate independently of each other. Man, check out those little beauties in there. Now the earbuds did test out at 7 hours of usage. I was able to get easily 7 hours of usage out of these earbuds, and I could charge them up to 3 more times out of the case. But note of caution, if you do use ANC, you will reduce that time down maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours. Now the Soundpeat Mini Pros have touch controls, and they are fairly sensitive, so you can touch them for all the features that you need to, including your active noise canceling and the other modes of listening. And I'm happy to announce the Soundpeats Mini Pros do have volume controls, so all you have to do is touch them on the left to go down, on the right to go up.
Brilliant! Brilliant!
And these tiny little earbuds support 10mm drivers, which, to be honest with you, kind of blew me away because the sound on these is incredible. We'll talk a little bit more about that in a sec. Now the Soundpeats Mini Pro wireless earbuds also are IPX5. What that means for you is that you can get them splashed on, rained on, and sweat on. That sounds kind of gross. And if you're in Michigan in the middle of April, well heck, you can even get them snowed on and you'll be just fine. So now on to the sound. Well, the sound on these earbuds is going to blow you away. as far as the size of the earbuds, because if you're a bass head, and I am a bass head, they have plenty of bass. The 10mm drivers really put the bass front and center on these earbuds, leaving the mid-ranges to fall back just a little bit. They also have clear, crisp upper ends like the tone, and they do have, as far as I'm concerned, one of the best sounds that I've heard in an earbud this size. What's also cool about the Soundpeats Mini Pros is I'm not really noticing a difference as far as when I use the active noise canceling or when I turn it off. As far as the sound levels go, they still sound fantastic all the way through. So whether I was listening to rock or hip hop or jazz, they sounded great. Now, as far as the ANC goes, you'll find that the ANC allows a lot of the background noise to really fade into the background. It won't eliminate voices or sharp sounds, but it does reduce things like a running dryer, or it'll reduce the sound of an airplane or motors running in the background. And what sounded cool too was when I was playing games with these earbuds in and I was able to put them in game mode, I saw very little lag, almost none that my old man eyes could perceive, and the sounds of the explosions were kind of blowing me away. The ear tips that come with them are fairly comfortable. I was able to wear them for hours on end with little to no discomfort. And I'm putting them in right now so you guys can take a look at them. And they do stay in fairly well. They're light, and so when I do shake around or dance around, whatever, they don't fall out. But I tell you what, we'll do the Old Man NewTek shake test. Whoa. Okay, I'm a little dizzy now, but hey, they stayed in just fine. And as you can see, they have a pretty low profile. The Soundpeats Mini Pros utilize CVC 8.0, which tends to drown out a lot of the background noise. And with some earbuds and budget earbuds in the past, I've noticed some muffling when that feature is enacted. However, Soundpeats delivers another surprise with the Mini Pros, and I'm going to let you listen to a sample of the microphone quality right here. All right, so this is a microphone test for the sound quality of the Soundpeats Mini Pro wireless earbuds. You should be able to hear me loud and clear, and I'm in a really open environment right now, so there's sound bouncing off the walls and everything. So this should give you a great approximation of what it sounds like with a lot of background noise. But I want to hear what you guys think in the comments down below. Yeah, that was pretty impressive. But now let's roll into my final thoughts on the Soundpeats Mini Pro hybrid active noise canceling earbuds. First, the pros. I love the size. I love the fact that I can put this case right into my pocket and no one knows it's there. I also love the size of the earbuds. I mean, these things are tiny and they're low profile. The game mode, ANC, transparency mode, they all work great. And the Mini Pros sport great bass, great sound all around, and you really can't do better at this price point. Finally, with Bluetooth 5.2, I'm able to leave my phone laying on a desk, walk around the house, and really free myself up. I was able to get a good 35 feet away from my source device. Now, as far as the cons go, well, I really don't have that many cons on this set of earbuds. The only thing I would say was that the sound field itself was a little bit tighter than I'm used to. And I kind of wish that this case was Qi wireless charging compatible, because I really like to have that feature and just slide it right out of my charging pad and not have to worry about plugging a cord into the back of it. Oh, and one more thing that I would really like to see are some power level indicators on the front. There's a light on here that's supposed to let me know when the case gets down to a lower charge, it changes color. But I like to have, tiny little indicators on the front that show me the power level. But those are minor issues. I tell you what, this set of earbuds is one of the best values that I've seen in a while with active noise canceling. I mean, for right around 50 bucks, you're getting active noise canceling, you're getting premium sound, and you're getting all that in a tiny little case that just says nothing but convenience. So with that, I have to give the Soundpeats Mini Pro hybrid active noise cancellation earbuds a major recommendation and a go out and buy now. So I'm gonna put these in and I'm gonna go rock out right now. I'll check you guys later. Hey, this is Brian with Old Man NewTek. We can't make this channel happen without you, so please hit subscribe and smash that bell down below. And if you're looking for product links, you'll find them there too. Thank you.